Hello, children that lives underneath my basement. To another video. This here is actually a Clipchamp tutorial. A tutorial of one of my first sites I've used to edit. So basically, when you first open Clipchamp, you should be able to open into this page. And if not, and you're trying to download it, then you should be able to open into another page. Well, I will show later. Clipchamp works with the web browser and if you download it. I prefer the downloaded version, even though it literally just opens its own little web browser kind of ish. But it's like more easier to just like click and then you're done. So basically first, you have to log into your account or sign up. Create your account. Basically all you have to do is continue Google. I already have an account, so basically I have to just log in. Even if you haven't made an account, you could just log in. It will make a brand new account for you, so you don't have to just instantly just go to sign up. Just press Google account, press the account you want to use. So this here is basically all the videos you've been editing, and yeah, I've been editing since 2020, so it's a lot of stuff. So make sure you do not accidentally click this, because this here, this is how you pay. But if you want to pay, then this is how you pay. But of course, I don't pay. I got the free version. So basically, all you have to do is click create a video first. And this here will give you like little templates. I don't really use templates that much. This will literally just help you for your your videos and all that. This is where your media goes. This is how you can name your thing. I'm just got it test. And over here is the plus. You're able to add your own media into there, basically opening your files for you. You don't have to open it, just click that, bam, opens files for you. Or you can just open the files yourself and then just drag and click. There you go. And then I'll that. And okay, I'm going a bit too fast. So basically you're able to just drag and click, and you're able to just go browse file and open. There's also a cool little thing where you're able to upload from your phone, which I'm not going to do that because it's on beta, and also I'm not trying to do that. You're able to import from Zoom, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, from Box, and from Google Photos. And of course, you need to learn how to record. Basically, this here is the camera recording, screen and camera. So basically, this here is screen and camera. I'm not showing my face. I'm just gonna do this for you guys real quickly. Okay, so then you'll be able to do this. Record. Of course, you have to click system audio, so you'll be able to hear the audio. And click share. But if you do not want to share your entire screen, put a window and share the screen you want to share. Or you can just do a Chrome tab, which right now is just Clipchamp. And like that, press share. That at first it's gonna be very laggy. Stop recording like that. At first it's gonna be very laggy, and then to save and edit and press allow. It's gonna do that, and when you're done, just look, it literally does the work for you. You're able to, if you want to, just mess around with your webcam. Yep, just mess around with the background, just drag everywhere. So basically, you like transitions. Let's get my intro over here, which is not my actual intro. This here is only the intro when I collab with somebody. And of course, to change the size, Control plus, Control minus, or Command minus, Command plus if you're using iMac. Or you can just press the buttons yourself. And if you want it to like fit through the screen, Control 0, Command 0, or just click this. And then after that, just like this. That's the little intro thing. Right now, I got no audio because I don't put audio on this. I got my own audio, but if you listen to your own audio and all that, man, all you're hearing right now is audio. But hey, that's that. So basically, that's just one little clip. You're able to zoom in, or you can just press this and it should be fine. And look. It's literally telling me what to do. Literally, it helps you itself, or tries to help you itself. All you have to do is just press S and it'll split for you. Or you could just press the button. In the past, I didn't know how to use it. I just used to just press the button and I'll be fine. You would just go crazy. And to undo, all you need is Control Z or Command Z. And you can also hold it if you want to. which I don't hold it. Or you could just press Command Z if you're using an iMac, or you can just press the undo button. Literally just undo. And then there's the delete button. It doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work unless if you highlight what you want to delete. Gotta highlight it. You're able to. Actually, it doesn't let you anymore. You always just click on it, backspace, done. Or click on it and then click on the delete. And then there's duplicate. Duplicate, highlight what you want, and then just do that, or Control D, Command D. For me, I just do this. I just come over here, Control C, Control V, and then spam Control V, and I'll be good. So basically, if you have your own MP3, all you have to do, drag and click, let it load, and bam, right here. All you have to do is drag and click again, and that's that. You're able to edit the audio through here, make it louder, make it lower, or you can make it fade. Basically, that's this. Does that, makes it look bit good. And if you want to fade a video, it's basically like a transition. Fade in 2 seconds. Basically, it takes 2 seconds to fade. See, just comes from dark to bright. So this here is some videos you're able to use. Just drag and click, and it'll be there. It's gonna take a minute because it's not like it's in your MP3. It's mostly free, but then there is some with diamonds on them. That just means that they're not free. You have to get the paid version. It'll split the videos from the audios and the images if case you have a lot of things. Sadly, your media ain't gonna be backed up in the cloud unless if you buy the upgraded version. There's some music that it'll give you. It will give you a bit of music, and then a bit more. And then there's this. And then there's stock videos, which is just videos it will give you for free, like I showed you. And then there's the images that will let you get it for free. Like there's this one right here. And then there's like way more other things. And then here's the text in case you wanna. There's a lot of text actually. My favorite one is just normal text. And then to edit it, all you have to do is click it, and then click text, and then be like some okay, test, enter, and then you're able to pick whichever one you like. In my past, I used to pick Ken Wave, which was what I picked in the past. Nowadays, I would look for Sino music. Then I came up to, yeah, you're able to do a lot of things. You're able to put it there, there, there. Transformation, it's able, like that corner up there, that corner down here. And then there's the colors. You're able to change the colors, change it red. Over here's how you want it to look. So then you can make it like that to be red, or just take it out unless if you want to just being that. Then here's the filters. Here's the filters. There's a lot, spinning, a lot of other stuff. And then there's green screen if you want to do some green screening thing, but not really much into that. Over here is more filters and transitions. All you have to do is, drag some clips in there, drag some clips you want in there, go to transitions, come over here and get rid of this, and then it'll just do like that, right? What to do is drag where you want it to be, and then I'll just do this. See, cool little transition. Over here is how you make it into like a TikTok, like if you want to show it to the phone. This, I don't know why people use that, like some ads, good for more, like Pinterest, and semantic views in case you want to make like movies or something like that. So here's the export button. It will give you some choices. Not pick anything higher unless if you want it to, like, unless if you have the paid version. This here just says literally just anything with diamonds next to it means they have to pay for it. And yeah, and then all you have to do is press continue. It's gonna be right here. It's gonna show how much percent it is. You could do like the mini tracker. It'll go wherever you are, show that, but I'll just keep it like this. You're able to upload it to the YouTube and all this, but I really want to show you step by step even how to set up to YouTube. So there you go, it's in your files now, right there. You're able to rename it if you want to by doing this, like test, which I didn't save the name. You're supposed to press enter when you're done doing it. So when you get to YouTube, first thing you do, click on the icon. When you're done with the icon, press on YouTube Studio. Basically, this is how you're able to post YouTube videos. To be able to do this, all you have to do is press create, upload videos. You're able to drag and click, or just press select files, and bam, press enter. So yes, it will literally do that. So you're able to rename it up here. I'm just gonna put hi. Down here, also, this is basically the description talking about it. The thumbnail, what type of playlist you want it to be in, which I'm not gonna put in a playlist because it's just a test. You have to put it for yes, made for kids, or no, not made for kids. And then paid promotion if someone pays you to sponsor them. Tags that you want to put in, and then you put a comma right next to when you're done. So basically just do that. So when you're done, you're able to choose the video language. When you first start, it's gonna say none. All you have to do is scroll down to say United States English. Click recording date. If you want them to know what date you posted it, all you have to do is just click on it and click on the date you made it. You have to click another date. It's like November 10th. You can't go forward. It's not looking time travel forward. We're going to time travel backwards. And you have to pick the category. The category is basically like animations, basically the videos that you're making, which right now nothing. Comments, you want to disable. Hold all comments for review, or hold potential inappropriate comments, or allow all comments. But there is a little downside. When you put yes, it is for kids, the comments will automatically shut off. So basically, video elements. You have subtitles, which you would just press add, and come over here and put auto syncs, and then done. And all you have to do is wait a couple minutes or hours actually, and it will do subtitles. It will make subtitles for you. End screen. Since this video is too short, it will not let me do an end screen. I can do it from another video. I can do it for another video. I'm just gonna mess around with the end screens. Then there's the add cards where you're able to just press add, and you're able to see the video. Like put whatever video you want to be on, not be on, like whatever video you want them to check, and it will show there. Sometimes YouTube channels as well. Then visibility, private, it says it right here. Only you and your people you choose can watch this video. Which private, it's literally like unlisted, except that unlisted, all you have to do is you just have to send them the video link. Now for private, all you have to do is put share privately and put whatever name you want in there. Then you're able to put it unlisted, which it's anyone with the video link can watch your video. And then there's public. Now if you're wondering what is with this instant premiere thing, instant premiere is basically making it into a live stream. It's basically like showing to people live. Then there's schedule, where you're able to schedule when it's gonna be published. It's basically like, oh my god, I want it to get published in December 25th. Then all you need to do this at a certain time, 3:15. Set a time zone, which right now I'm just gonna put some of that. And then next thing you know, bam, you're good. Right now I'm just gonna leave it private though. So then all you have to do next, press save. At first, when you're downloading it, when it's like a big thing, it's gonna stay there. It's gonna say that it's processing it. So since it is Clipchamp, it's all it's gonna have is SD. But if you have more like a 180p, it will say like rendering HD. Basically just means it's rendering the 180p. And in the playlist, you're able to edit it when you want. Analysis, be able to see how many people watching it. Okay, so let me go to the end screen. Now the end screen is a bit different. Here's one of the recent videos I just posted. So basically this here is subtitles, end screens, and cards. This here is basically like what I showed you earlier, but all in one page. It does show more, and it shows you the things that I did earlier. For you to get an end screen, the video has to be more than 25 seconds long. So if I was to get end screen, this is basically what I see. When you're done, it'll show more things. So all you have to do is press add element, You can add a video, playlist, subscribe, channel, or a link. So basically, if you want to be able to put the music that you want from a random YouTube video and put it into in MP3s, and then you're able to use it, all you have to do, you see this up here? This here is called the URL. So all you have to do is Control C, or just right click it and press copy, and then come over here, Control V, or otherwise right click and paste. All you have to do now, press search, and now it's just gonna load. It's right here. You're able to download it through video. Make sure do not click that, click the X, and then like that, convert the video, and it's gonna take a minute, or actually no, it's gonna take like 30 seconds for it to just load up. It's gonna take us, yeah, there you go, right there. It's gonna open a random tab. It's okay, don't open it. And now all you have to do is just drag and click, or just open through the media and do all that. And it will take a while for it to download, because it's not instant. It's not like a 9 core or a 10 core. That's almost instant actually. And bam, look at that. Here to control how it looks, fade in. I think I'm done. Hopefully you guys are having a great time. And now, peace.